Well, hi, and welcome back to my channel. As I promised, I was going to come to you with the tablescape of the DIY I did of the placemat, so let's just jump right on into it. So, first thing I wanted to talk about is why do I have plastic on my tablecloth? I got several questions in my email about certain things like my furniture, so we'll go over that at the end of the tablescape and I explain everything to you. But the reason I have it is because, ladies, people were eating, they'll soil my linen tablecloth, so that's basically why. But the first item I wanted to go over is this beautiful golden ivory beaded placemat that I got from Pure One. As you can see, the way it looks with the gold and the beads of the white and the ivory, little pearls on the side, is absolutely gorgeous. I've had it for about 3.5 years. And yeah, I got it from Pure One, and I think it was around $24.99. They still sell that online, so you could definitely look that up. And the next thing I want to talk about is this apothecary. Yes, I know it's an elephant in the room. Been there, done that. Everybody's had them. But I like the way it's clear and it takes some of the weight off the table when you're using jewel tones in the summer. As you can see, I just added some really pretty garland that matches that teal color. And it really looks pretty. All I did was hot glue it and I just love the way it looks. It's gorgeous. Awesome. Also, this lantern, my husband got this, believe it or not, from Cracker Barrel. We went there for breakfast on our anniversary one year. And all I did was I put some tea candles in it, like Luminaire tea candles, and it gives such a beautiful glow when it's on and you're having dinner in the evening, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So that's basically what I have as a centerpiece. I didn't choose to use a runner. Now, these flutes are actually from Pure One, but they're so old I don't have the link for it online, but I will add another link for something that's similar to it in the description bar, so don't worry about that. But yeah, these came from Pure One, and unfortunately they no longer sell them. Now, I know you're looking at these really old candle holders, but I do like to mix old with new, and these are beautifully gilded. I didn't polish them like you should with silver because they are heirloom from my mom. I love the way they look, and I love the detail and how it evokes so much feeling. The way they've aged, the way they patina it is absolutely gorgeous. And that's why I leave them exactly how they are. This candle is just a glitter DIY. You can do a decoupage and a bottle of glitter. You can basically do that to just give it the full look when you're doing glam, or if not. But I absolutely love them. When I want to use candles, I just get the regular candles out instead of using the glittered ones. So yeah, I just want to pan back and just show you the overall tablescape. I know a lot of people have names. I don't have a name for the tablescape, but anyway, let's just get to the good part. These DIY placemats that I made with the Sowder feathers, which you can buy off of Amazon. I did all of these placemats for under $4 and free shipping because I have Amazon Prime, as you can see. You can't even see the old placemat, as I previously said, in that DIY. Once I put the charger back on, you won't see any of it. You just see these gorgeous Sowder feathers with that beautiful jewel tone, which I absolutely love. Now, these leaf glass chargers, actually, with the gold gilding, it's so beautiful. Actually, it's gold foil, actually. But these are normally like $25 to $29. You can get them from a lot of stores like Pure One. I actually ordered these off of Amazon and saved $30, so catch that. So yeah, it's a good idea to shop around when you're doing some refreshing, so that way you can basically stay in budget. But anyway, I'm gonna leave the link for that in the description bar also. Those plates are the plates that I hauled last time on my decor haul, and yeah, I left the the price tag on it. But anyway, I actually those napkins, those were talked about in the previous DIY haul also. Now I just want to go over these beautiful, perfectly matched napkin rings. Of course, they're from Pure One. You can tell by the beading on them, but they do match really well, and that was part of my decor haul also. And this basically this dining room refresh. Now, a couple of people just emailed me, wanted to know where I got my dining room furniture from, so I'll briefly touch on that. I know you're basically here for the tablescape, but I did want to let those subscribers know that I do read each and every one of your emails, and I just wanted to just give you the information on that also. So, these chairs are actually from Wayfair. They're still on there. They're still selling them. And they're called Tall Back Wingback chairs by Alcott Hill. They are linen. I do like to go with neutrals when I'm doing furniture, so that way I can easily change out my decor colors, change out my decor style, especially for the holidays. But yeah, I absolutely love these chairs. They're linen, they're tufted. They're just so comfortable. They don't look comfortable, but believe it or not, they're really comfortable. The settee, unfortunately, I don't think they sell anymore. I went online to get the link to put into the description bar, but unfortunately, I was not able to find it. Maybe you can write them, or maybe you can go on their specific site, but I bought these off Wayfair. But you can see they're really well made. I've had them for years. All I did was put a little bit of fabric guard or scotch guard or whatever you call it on it, and I just vacuumed them. They're very easy to spot clean, and yeah, just put a fabric protector on them and they're absolutely beautiful. I love the way they look, and everybody always asks me, where did I get this settee? It is a different look for a dining room, but I really don't like having that cookie cutter look to my furniture or my decor, which is why I do a lot of DIYs. This is another chair, but I just want to talk briefly about my buffet. It's not a normal buffet. I actually got these at, it wasn't a flea market, it wasn't an auction, but it was actually, you go to the Storage Wars show. So yeah, I really liked it. It was brown. I brought it home, I cleaned it up, and I painted it with Annie Sloan chalk paint, all white. But you can see the pretty details. I love this mirror and this, and I used them, trust me. This this buffet is full of all kinds of things, but I just wanted to get a close-up so you can see the details. Absolutely gorgeous. Yep. So that was a really fun DIY. Like I said, Annie Sloan chalk paint. I did everything, even the little drawer pulls. And it has a lot of room, and I really like it. Once again, it's not your everyday buffet, so it's really cute. I don't have a runner up here either. This is a very old cake stand, and it's my mom's. So what I did was, right now, I put some leftover feathers in there and just put a little bit of wrapping around it. But this cup, it was a gift from my daughter, so I can't tell you, but this is a Chinese porcelain cup. This snow globe, my mom's, this wrapped bottle was an olive oil bottle that I wrapped with crafting twine and threw some Pure One flowers in it, and it just brings the look together. So you can do a lot of different DIYs, very inexpensive, and that's just a regular Bath and Body Works candle that I threw some glitter on. And then I put it on top of this really cute candle holder, and that's about it. So yeah, that's my dining room. This other pillow, I did a decor haul with this. I got that from Pier 1, and that's just a metallic beads lumbar pillow, and I bought that the same time I bought the teal velvet beaded peacock pillow that you saw on the other wingback chair in the corner. And the last thing are the silk Dapani curtains that my husband gave me as wedding present actually. So I can't tell you where those came from, but I love them. They're gorgeous, and they are the peacock color. So I just wanted to show you what the table looks like when the lights are down. No, I didn't light the candles. It's daytime, so you can see the background, but I just wanted to show you the glow of those little luminaires, and that lantern is absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, that's my tablescape. I hope you liked it. I'm now going to show you what the tablescape looks like with the lights back on and the full view. I absolutely love the way this DIY came out. Very inexpensive. I hope you like this video. Just hit the like and subscribe button and hit that bell ring for notifications, and thank you so much for watching.